Hi there, this is our Microweily TY22100 lathe, Taiwanese, really good quality machines, 3 metres between centres, 105mm bore. It's got the rapid, the quick change. At some stages of its life it's had a digital readout set up. We've fitted a new 3-jaw chuck to it. Things that I noticed about this particular lathe was it's got bedwear just on this first front section, headstock's a bit noisy, and the wee knob for the power isolation switch at the back is missing. I've just used pliers to switch that on, but it does have a main power switch here. So we'll just start with the machine. I'll start down here at the tail stock. It's got a 2-speed tail stock on it. That lock feels good. That's on the higher speed, that's going in and out nicely, and the lower speed is going in and out, and that's locking there. The carriage, nice to move. Cross slide feels good. There's a little bit of movement in there, but not much. Compound slide feels a bit stiff towards the end, and there's a bit of movement in that. I'll show you the rapids while I'm here. So I've got to have that in for rapids. And that's the rapids. Sometimes to get this button to come in or out with the rapids, you have to just push the buttons to take a bit of the load off the gears. You've also got a jog from here, and as well a jog from here. That's the coolant pump. You'll hardly hear that, but that's running. I haven't put coolant in it, but the pump's running. Alright, we'll start the machine up and I'll go through the feeds, etc. So I've got it in a relatively low range, and when I select the lead screw I've got to have the rapids out, and then this 3 wheels. So that's the lead screw there. You won't be able to see that, but the carriage is going that way. I'll reverse that direction, so now the carriage is coming towards me. I'll put that in a so I can take you through this here. So that's changing your lead screw, feed shaft, etc. And that's nice to change through. I'll put that in its fastest range and speed it up so you can see the feeds. So I've got the rapid out, and we'll just go through the feeds. So that one there is the longitudinal, so that's coming towards me now, and if I push that in, the feed on the cross slide is coming out towards you. So those are the feeds. I'll just engage that and push this in, and I'll just get that a bit closer. So those are the feeds and the lead screw, and they're all working nicely. It does only have the rapid on the longitudinal. I'm pretty sure that that's from factory, but could be wrong. So we'll take you through the gear range. You were in 120, so that's 35. It's got the star delta start up on it, you'll just hear it there flick in. That's forward. It's a bit hard to get into reverse, you just have to push that to the side. So that's reverse, and that's the emergency foot brake, so that's 35. We were on 120. Take you to 375. 375. And next one will be 1200. We'll go through to the next range. So that one there will be 520. $160. 15. 50. Last range, we're in low and positive, so that's 85. 25. 860. And one more, 265. So there it is through the gear range. So yeah, it's done a bit of work, but super good quality machine, and still got a lot of life left in it, and ticks over nicely.